What up? Good, good.
Yo. I don't know where Peter is.
I'm hoping to get my own camera next week. So
Yeah?
Yeah. 70D Canon. Sorry.
Oh yeah?
Bro, video.
Bro, video.
Video side Canon.
Yeah.
Just saying.
What are you doing?
Well, I got rear-ended, so I'm trying to rig it, you know, real ghetto-like with all the zip ties. So as you can see right over here, look, it's all X's and O's. Oh, something in my hand.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Good shit.
I live in Worcester, so I mean I fit in, right?
Yes, you do.
Where's Peter?
Yeah, where's Fag Butt?
I forgot to screw that side in. He said he had to get wires.
Oh, both of his cars are here.
Yeah, that's what I said.
He probably walked to Robinson's.
No, he said he was going to Walmart.
He probably walked to Walmart because he's weird. This is camera reception right now.
Oh, that was actually a really good picture.
Whoa.
My camera's like freaking out because it was like, which way is the picture going?
No one's ever seen me before. Now I have to focus on this, so it's gonna be weird. Come on, focus. Come on. Who's that?
I was gonna say we can just like put it in the video.
Shut up.
Mike, can you turn off your location on fucking Facebook?
In the settings.
Look at this.
What, the things?
I get a notification saying you're nearby.
I don't know. It's a weird fucking thing, but I think if you go into your settings, you can.
And turn it off.
I think so, yeah.
You coming, Mike?
Yeah, I'm coming. So we're getting extended wires to relocate his battery for his GSX, but AutoZone didn't have them, the hardware store didn't have them, so now we are going to Lowe's to pick up some wire.
Huh?
This thing sucks, huh?
It ripped because of the intercooler bracket. It's sharp as fuck.
Yeah, it is right. It scares me.
Factual.
That's because I don't want water getting into that hole.
That ass. Did you see what they did to fucking Main Street? Fuck, I have to like go that way. Son of a bitch. Well, you got a little bit of height on you, but I'm gonna go this way. Back one. We broke their necks. We about to make some pops. Oh, what the?
When did they put these here?
What the dick is this? Yes. That was fast. See if you catch any necks. Now, which one will work the best? Steven! I found it! I found it!
Perfect. Now, where is it?
Have you ever tried 28 gauge?
It's like
It's like smaller than a
it'll slip in
needle.
your butt without you knowing.
It's smaller than a syringe needle. So, Lowe's didn't even have the wire. They had a shit ton of every single wire on the planet except that wire. So now we are going back to the house because there's no use to be here. I work at this place and I get to be here at 4 in the morning, 5 days a week.
And they let us down.
And they let me down. I give it 1 star.
I give it an ass cheek.
Out of how many ass cheeks?
Out of like a Brazilian butt cheek, it gets like an average Asian butt cheek.
That sucks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, back to the house. Who are you? Who was he? Who was he? You may go, sir. Oh, this sucks. Ew.
I'm nervous.
Why you do this? Ew. Ugh. Ow. That one's easy. I hate these though. Oh. Oh. Ow. Out for the dumpster. You just like ran over that bird.
I didn't stay in there.
He's been in there for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, literally like 10, 15.
He sent me a Snapchat. He was like, it's been 5 minutes and I'm already sweating.
Is he just laying down?
He sent me a Snapchat of him shifting with his foot.
Look at my other Snapchat.
Oh my god, look at you. You're nasty.
Wow, you're sweating.
Oh my god! Why would you commit to such a thing? Like,
Wait.
Oh my god. Looks so weird without interior.
I just sweat 20 pounds. Oh, you gotta.
The
Imagine
whole
if we
thing
laid
smells.
down.
Yeah, I got a haircut.
What smells?
The whole inside of the car smells like sweat.
smells like sweat. Like
the
weirdest shit.
Go jump in the nuclear pond.
Oh my god. I don't smell that
Mark
bad.
off while I'm fucking gone. Like, what the
You should
We know our
literally
grandma.
buy a spare
Make a
hood.
fucking move, Petrie.
Hold on,
I
let
don't
me
smell
see.
that bad.
Oh shit.
Right?
No, it's not like actually on right now.
Oh, it's right on the exoskeleton. I was gonna say you should buy a spare hood and make an exoskeleton hood.
I don't like those.
I don't know.
I'm gonna put mirrors. I think it looks
I think
like
that shit's
you're,
sick.
I think it makes
Ew.
it look like you're really poor.
Oh.
Battery cable is like 6 feet long. I need more than 6 feet. I'm not trying to get like 2 of them.
Dick. I'm your ride, bitch.
I'll walk. No, I won't. Please give me a ride.
And he said he doesn't want to anymore.
Pointy.
Stevens.
No, he's a quick release bumper.
Oh.
He's like, no, I want to wait till I get the Mach 1 lip. I'm like, alright, whatever. I brought it here if you want to do it.
That broken taillight down.
Make sure I can find one that's like, wow.
I know. This is gonna be so funny. Oh, I can't believe we're about to do this. As soon as I hear it, I'm just gonna start dying laughing. Oh my god, I'm dying. What up? What up? Hi, Mark. Oh. Hi. That was my favorite. Oh.
Well, I have a question for you guys.
Yes.
Why are you guys so sexy?
Why are we so sexy?
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you the same thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Am I
Small.
part of the sexy group too?
Yeah.
Wow. Why is that so sexy? Why is that so sexy?
I don't know. Why are we so sexy is the question.
Jared's over
What's up, fatty?
Nothing much.
This is not how I want people to see me. This is not how I want to be seen.
You're pretty fat. I mean,
You're embarrassing me.
you're embarrassing yourself.
Stop it, Ron.
Stop and Ron. Stop. Is that the real PJ Dithey 4?
You're looking at them.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
I drive red and the silver
Come
car.
on. Show us what you drive. Come on. Come on.
So it's down there.
Oh, it's down.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the red one. You can't miss it.
It's the red mini.
You're gonna make me walk
It's the
there.
slow one. Yes.
It's a
Not
slow
the
one.
piece of shit right next to mine. That's the one.
It's the red minivan.
Red one. Just
You're
go
the
look
one to
at it.
talk about the Subaru.
Just go
It's a
look
nice
at it.
car.
It's red. It's got a black thing on the hood. Sometimes it's loud.
This is kind of like an intro video for everyone else, so explain your car.
It's red.
Nice! Alright, let's go see it. I've never seen a red car before. Alright. So, there's the SRT4 as you guys have seen earlier in the video. This is the red car. Camaro SS. This thing has 200,000 miles on it. and it's probably the cleanest Camaro I've ever seen, body-wise and engine-wise. But I know him, and he's not gonna open the engine for me, pop the hood for me. But yeah, that is beautiful, and so is that, and so is this. My friend Mike, he just lowered it a couple of days ago. It's looking pretty snazzy. Just fixed his check engine problem. It was his O2 sensor. But yeah, tasteful mods and everything, very clean looking engine bay. My friend Ryan's FRS, sitting on Enkai RPF1s. Call it Enki or Enkai, however you want to call it, but I call them Enkais. Very clean. I still think he needs to go like 3.5 inches lower, because I mean, look at this. Look at that. I mean, what can you do with that? That's not okay. That's not okay. But anyways,
See my red car?
I saw your red car. It's very snazzy.
Red. It's red.
Yeah,
It's red.
it is very
It's red.
red.
It's red.
How red is it?
It's red.
It's raw.
It's red. It's red. It's got red. Red on the red. Red. Red.
Red.
It's got red.
So
That's my buddy. Hey. Hey. Why is he going on like 25? Not about that like. It's red though. Yeah, it's red.
it's red.
It's red. Yeah. If you notice, actually, if you look right here, in the door jambs, it's red. It's red.
Just like mine.
Yeah, it's a real red car, man. It's red. It's red, yeah. It's got seats.
It's got some seats and
They're not red, though.
it's got an airbag. Oh, the seats aren't red. That's a drag.
So it's red. Yeah, it's red. It's got a lip.
Why isn't the scoop red? Come on.
It's red underneath. It's red underneath.
It's red underneath.
Yeah.
Pop the hood. Show me some skin.
I'm gonna show you some more red.
I love red.
You got the red here, and this car is so powerful. You got the strut tower brace, and what this is for, it's so both sides of the engine bay don't crumble when you get into it.
Right, because it's red.
Because it's red, it's right. See, I got red plug wires too. I put those in myself. What really put me over the edge with those ones is why I picked those ones, because they're red. Get some more red. Which one's yours? That's kind of pink.
This one.
And it was red at one time. One time I was reaching back here to change something. I brought my hand back and there's a screw right here, and it cut me. My blood was red. This was red at one time, but it faded, and now it's an off red. This sticker's got a little bit of red in it too. You know, it's pretty red. You
get the-
under the hood's red.
You got the red badge.
Yeah, it's got red. It's red. It's definitely red. So look at that.
Would you
Yeah,
just look at this?
I had the AC, but I decided to get rid of it because the compressor wasn't red. So, you know, it fits the whole theme of the car. Red. I like red. It's red.
So what do you use this mainly for?
Getting hella sideways.
Hella sideways.
Yeah, and I kind of got it to like pick up bitches, but realistically, it attracts way more dudes who think it's cool.
Yeah, that kind of tends to happen.
It's not even that nice.
But it looks hella cool when it's sideways.
Yeah, that's all that matters. I think Helen Keller did the last paint job.
Looks like my car when I first got it.
It's a jawbreaker.
Yeah, it's a jawbreaker, but who gives a
Want a
shit?
cookie?
Take a cookie.
Who wants a cookie?
Eat that shit.
Did you drop it?
No, it was on his car, but
Have you had one?
I have had like that.
Am I on video?
what?
Am I on video?
I don't know, you tell me. Yes, you're on video.
So this here, this is the turbo. Would you look at it?
I don't know, man.
Yo, I like that Subi.
I just got it like a couple months ago.
I'd love to have one.
Always got tires on deck. Hella ratchet. Got the rattle can paint job on point. 666 on the plate. That's the devil right there.
How many followers do we have?
What, on the YouTube page? Like 70 right now.
Our page is actually going like crazy right now. There's people like saying, give us more.
Nice wheels.
So this here is a drifter's best friend. Actually, I'm gonna go on the other side.
Excuse me.
So, anytime you get a little mistake. Look at that, fucking show car.
Who needs a show car?
Would you look at it? Would you look at the drip? That'll sand out, but yeah.
Custom drip, bro.
Yep. It goes with the whole ratchetness.
Yo, bro, look at how low this thing is. Holy shit. Holy shit. Is that the real @fucking Steve?
Dude, my feet aren't on my brakes, bro. Stand.
Good, be careful. You don't want to lose control with that steering wheel. That I have the same of now.
Yeah, you fucking
Whoa, look out here. Alright, so I'm 5'8". This is about at my neck. The camera right now is at about my neck. So.
Nah, dude, check this out, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put up a picture of my truck, and then we'll fucking show you what my frame to ground is.
Yeah, bro.
I just had to find a picture of my truck, because I don't really have any. Alright, so we're gonna use this.
You don't have pics of the stance truck?
Nah, dude. So,
VIP Hella Flush Stance Nation? Hold on. Let me just. Okay. So frame's about 2 inches, 2.5 inches off the ground.
you mean like an inch and a half?
That's
Dude,
that's 2 inches.
that's not 2 inches.
That is 2 inches.
That's 3 fingers. Like, barely.
over here it's 4 fingers.
Well,
for me.
I mean, it's lower up this side, so I count that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what we do, you know.
Whichever side's the lowest
measure
is.
from the lowest exact point. Because fuck everything else. Nothing else matters.
Whatever part is the lowest part of the car is your actual height of the car.
Obviously. You know, when I say my truck's an inch and a half off the ground, that means the entire thing, obviously, but realistically, it's like that one spot.
I take duct tape and I tape it to the back of my car and let it drag so my height's 0.
Swag. Fucking swag.
We out. Bye, everyone.
I saw you the other day.
Bye, Jared. I gotta sleep.
What?
I love you, Jared.
What?
Your brake is doing it again.
What?
Squeaking, remember? You came to my house and make that shit sound and like you picked it up.
No.
Well, it did, and that was making that sound again. So pretty soon you take a real long kick it and then
All right. Bye, guys.
Materials make a king, knowledge makes an apprentice. Now ain't that backwards when you pressed by the fame in this era?
Yeah.
Girl, a queen, she don't need a tiara. She don't need an umbrella either, just give her the rain. We don't need help, they built the pyramid
Steve.
without a crane.
Swag.
I feel we born without a brain. We only looking at the dollars, what we really need is change.
How was his hand wet?
If that shit
It was in his
doesn't
pants.
register, might as well get used to stealing singles out the register.